啊，大家好，我是你们的朋友皮特老师，欢迎大家来到第2期皮特游戏视频解说。趁着这个《鬼泣5》和《只狼》还没有发售的时候啊，今天给大家带来《地铁离乡》PS4 版本的游戏流程，然后希望大家喜欢，继续支持我的视频。废话不多说，我们开始吧。像我们这种高玩，有，我们就选个普通吧。这不是说明 UP 主的不自信，而是觉得普通应该对流程会更有帮助，可以让我更快的打完这个游戏，所以我有更多的时间来录制接下来的《鬼泣5》和《只狼》。听说这个游戏优化很不错，我们来看看它的这个画面到底如何。听说这是一款略带恐怖的第一人称视角射击游戏。实话实说吧，UP主胆子挺小的，很少玩这种恐怖第一人称射击。不过，对吧？为了我的粉丝，为了能多点浏览数、浏览量，UP主也就豁出去了。
With the surface poisoned, burnt, and teeming with horrible monsters. One day the radiation on the surface might subside, and our grandchildren or their grandchildren might be able to return there. At least that's what my brothers in arms from the Order believe. Basically, there was no hope for us right off the start. Still, we humans are just too bad at surrendering. We tried to make the best of what we had, banded together, and worked to make the Metro our new home. After all, it might well be the only place left on Earth for humans to live.
这怎么看起来有点流浪地球的感觉？不知道你们看了这部电影没有
？But regrettably, the war didn't kill our bad habits. In the relative safety of the tunnels, corruption festered. And when danger came from above the ground, only a few of us stood against it, our numbers dwindling by the day.
"这里面的怪物长得有点像异形啊，说实话。
I remember we were born for a better life, and I can't accept that I'm destined to grow old and die underground. I don't care if I'm cold and idiot, but if even a single shard of the old world
这游戏评分挺高的，这个 IGN 评分多少分来着？8.5还是9分，很高了算是。
Between endless years of hopeless existence and even a single moment of hope, I must choose hope. I must find that signal.
哇，要不要这样的？这一开始就要这种乌漆麻黑的地方，也太令人……也太让人感到安不下心了吧？要不我们先往前面去看看，看看前面。也许，哎，不管了。按住 L1 并用打火机点燃蜘蛛网。打火机是，哦，这个意思。这些都是个发霉的，走了。不要一上来。淡定，哎，什么东西？子弹吗？这个可以啊，这个不能捡。这个声音，哎，不管。别！我错了，我错了。对不起，对不起，对不起。哎呀呀呀呀！我错了。刚刚手电筒是，哎，这都是什么地方？What the fuck！ 你他妈把我吓尿了！我操！Fuck you！ UP 主心脏不好，不要吓我。新笔记，这什么意思？亮灯。这是啊，爷爷泡的茶。爷爷泡的。哎，你们一个一个来。 咋不过来啊，老弟？你不是很窜吗？你牛啊！你吓老子！这啥？别！怎么熄灭了？我错了。亮起来！对。有盒磁带，嗯。I don't like it。我不喜欢这个声音。I don't like it。啊，溜了。你们太多了。关门呐！我他妈！我想妈妈了。妈妈呀！终于来援军了。你们咋不早来呀？我都快被吓死了。这个游戏一上来就这样子。那我现在应该是被人营救了，这个救到一个像是于居住的地方。
Where to now? Left across the square. Hey, Damir, do you think the Colonel knows what Artyom been up to here? How am I supposed to know? Ask him yourself. He radioed from the ring, said he'd be here tomorrow. Hey, you! Leave him alone! I killed him myself with my snapshot. Let him learn to stand up for himself. How else can he hope to survive in the metro? Rise and shine, people! Hang in there, Artyom. You gonna get a fresh dose of Spartan blood now?
斯巴达人血液是什么东西？你让我变成战神吧。要是你让我变成战神，这来100个这样的怪物，我也不怕。能把我变成奎托斯、奎爷呢？
Artyom, are you awake? It's okay. The doctor said you'll be fine. Are you trying to kill me with worry? What if next time you don't return from the surface? There's no one out there, Artyom. No one to find, no one to talk to. If there was, don't you think they'd be here already? We've talked about this again and again. You have to accept it.
其实我挺想知道主角长啥样的。
times are we going to have this conversation? I don't care if you kill yourself over this silly dream of yours, but don't you see what you're doing to my daughter, your wife?
好吧，应该是我的老婆。
Please.
The order is short on men after the battle for D6, but you leave. People need you, and you pursue your selfish obsession. But now this shit has to stop. There's only Metro, nothing else. And the Order is here to defend it. Because if not us, then who? You look fine to me. So, get ready to go. Then, we'll discuss your transfer to Polis. Come, we need to talk.
我要被转走了。
I'll get the doctor. Artyom, please, promise me this was the last time. I'll see you later.
Artyom, we managed to bring you back from the brink, but people are giving you their blood, which could save so many wounded, and you keep bringing it back irradiated. Don't you think that is unfair? Let me put it this way. I can't promise I'll be able to bring you back next time.
Hmm. 老哥，说实话，你长得有点像普京啊。这里怎么全是光头？
Job or no job, if they keep doing that.
Hello. Hi.
Just try to take better care of yourself, huh? Even if you find someone else out there, they probably have their own troubles. Well, not everyone can stand being cooped up down here.
这是死路。
Why not? It's what's kept us alive up to now.
Huh. And how long do you think that's going to last? How many kids are there in the station?
Oh, I can't believe my eyes. Artyom, you're all right. You gave us a scare, brother. Artyom, how are you, friend? I see you're all right.
Give way.
This calls for a celebration.
A few more scars and you will be completely irresistible to any woman. Speaking of which,
Alyosha, you're your usual self, guys.
You just stop crowding him.
Brother.
Welcome back, Artyom.
Ah, привет, Artyom.
All right, you're all dismissed. I give you 2 hours, people.
Yeah! Oh, it's official. I knew it.
You guys are like
So I brought something.
and here we go again.
Please, let's not repeat the last
Hold
time.
on, Artyom.
1周后，所以我是被，他怎么又出去了？
More of nothing? Artyom,
哦，他出去可能是想去联系看看外面还有没有幸存者，或者是其他人在外面活着。
Yes, and there's also those damn things calling all the time.
一直呱呱叫。
Please.
Let's
Don't
go
you
home.
think I'd also love to live on an ocean beach or in a green forest? But what good are these fantasies in a silent world? Silent, Artyom? Because it's dead.
那是
We
AK。
took our time. Time to replace our filters.
更换滤毒管。
Come on, replace your filter. Haven't you spent enough time in the sick bay?
他们应该是有辐射，所以他们一定要他们一直要带着这个类似于
Twice if you learn to
面罩一样的东西。
Have you been to all these ruins? See all the destruction, and Moscow had the best anti-air defenses in the country. If this is how it looks now, imagine how the rest of the world looks.
我感觉这里肯定会有些好东西。
Had to scare a demon away. It was getting too comfortable here.
刚才开枪打的啥玩意儿？
Look, maybe you should come back to the order. We'll move to Polis. Dad says he'll arrange a flat for us. Because if not us, then who? A flat with a kitchen and a shower.
然后洗个澡，鸳鸯浴吗？
It's not stable enough.
我觉得不错。
Careful. At least it held.
你先走。
Well, I'd say we're out of the woods.
没错，就是这
Hear
样。
that?
Hear what？ 我咋啥都没听见？这我听见了。别又来吓我！ 哇，我这瞄准什么情况？这瞄准怎么这么难瞄准？奇怪。
Pick up the pace. Now the whole area knows we're here.
怎么倒下了，老哥？
Hear that? It's a pack. Just what we need. A draw. We're lucky the mutants hate each other as much as they hate us. I really don't get why this zone is off limits to stalkers. The radiation and beasts are nothing special. The pack. It's on! I'll cover you!
Huh? Sorry.可以，我这里很安全。还有吗？可以。你比我强啊！
We sure gave them hell.
好了，没子弹。
Oh, is this why the zone is off limits? I mean, if all the packs here are like that.
这就有点尴尬。开启照片模式。啊，照这个算清晰视野，可以。我的乖乖，我的亲娘，这能看到个啥？给我换回来。
How about we take the bridge to cross the railroad? It would save us a detour.
嗯，好主意，但是我没有子弹。
Too high. Hey, Artyom, help me get up there.
now. I got you. Did you hear that, Artie? At least they're not far away. Now that's what I call a blizzard. Can't see a thing. Or hear. Let's switch to radios.
切换到无线电。
Artyom, are you seeing this? I'm not just imagining things, right?
怎么有车开走？什么情况？
A damn train on the surface. Where? Shit, what do we do, Artyom? Should we catch up with it?
追上他！
It's our guys for the order.
哎呦我的妈！
Looks like they're chasing that train too. Let's join them.
巧了，女士有希望你们能给我提供一些弹药。嗯 ？What？ 应该是敌人呢，应该不是自己人。
You should have checked first, assholes. Artyom, thank God. These people, they're Hansa, not the Order. Assholes. They did a number on you. Well, Dad will hook them a new one for that.
What's going on in this Moscow of yours, anyways?
原来是自己人，
Yours.
打错人。
Putting this like you're not from here.
We aren't.
Huh?
Our village is about 200 kilometers.
搞不懂。
What village? You're not from Moscow?
Just a regular village. We came here to find the boy's father. Left for Moscow about a year ago and never came back. But then we got caught by these here.
You mean there's life outside?
Why wouldn't there be any? Sure, there are lots of bad places and lots of beasts around, but we still get by.
Artyom, you were right. People really do live out there.
Of course I'm right.
We didn't know.
我可是主角，男主角。
God, we'll tell the whole metro about this.
We are here. We are where? 好吧，看来还是坏人。
At least give them their masks back.
What about us? 不会吧？锤他！这就很尴尬了。这还没死。应该不是往这里走。就我现在是啥都没有。我说实话，这个做的真的可以。哇，这么多死人！医疗包，可以。 没有武器啊，现在只能做个一拳超人，徒手战斗。啊，这不是那个火车吗？哎，他这个意思应该是让我进去。哇，那我要是又遇见那些怪物怎么办？真的用拳头打？您已经在逗我。啊，我的打火机也没了！啊，完蛋了 ！Fuck my life！ 这个锤头不能拿起来吗？这个砸人也比你拿拳头打好吧？看起来不行。有武器吗？现在只能爬这个梯子。哎，有两个人在看着我。那应该不能往那边走。这里应该过不去吧？过得去吗？过不去。好像可以上去。这都看不见我，怕你们两个不是有白内障？你也看不见我。Hello。
Human. How did you? Oh my God! It's you she's been screaming about. Alive. You came for her. All right. I'll help. Finally, I'll be of some use.
可以。
Okay, they took the girl to the base chief for interrogation.
去审
I
问。
can't take you to the main entrance. Too many guards. But we may sneak in from the back. Let's go. Don't rush though. If they notice you, you're both done for.
好，那我们就先录到这儿吧。这个序章 Part 1，地铁离乡，好吧，就先录到这儿。然后，对，我们 Part 2见，再见，拜拜。